Welcome to this brief introduction into using the GS1 Advanced Word template. Just open Word in the normal way. And you know that the template is loaded correctly by seeing this GS1 icon. It gives you access to the three templates: Letterhead, Basic, and the one we're going to talk about today, Advanced. Clicking Advanced opens a new Word document pre-populated with the correct logo, the look and feel, the various document properties you'll need to fill in, and the correct disclaimer. We've actually created a document here to just demonstrate some of the key features. The first one we're going to emphasize is in the Advanced document here, and you see Document Properties. You type here the document name, the document type, typically a standard or a guideline, the release number, 1.0 will always be the first, we'll call this release 3. The issue number is only used for erratas, and then you enter the date with 3 letters and the year. Document status, always a draft at the beginning, at the end it will hopefully be ratified, and a short description of your document. Click OK. Then by selecting the entire document with Ctrl A, you can then update fields, and you'll see that the document title page is updated. It's also a little bit further down in the document summary. All is there correctly. That will allow it to be posted on the website later. Keep coming down. You see the table of contents is currently blank, but we're now going to do a bit of editing of this document. So here we get to the body text, which is where you'll be introducing your text. We click here heading, and now we move to the GS1 Advanced formatting. You can see a whole host of commands here. So call this heading 1, the next one heading 2, next one heading 3, etc. The next piece of text is body text. This is actually the default used by just typing it, but you can actually change it as well. Nice feature is the bullet lists. You have 3 different types of bullets: first level, second level, third level, as well as numbered lists. Just by clicking the command, use the correct font, correct layout. Many of you will remember the important notes we have. These are included in the new template under Notes. 2 things we'd like to finish with here are the figures and table numbering. It's important to use this, so we'll go now, put it above the title of the figure, the icon, click Figure. It then gives you the correct figure number, centers it, and importantly it makes sure the title of the figure and the figure itself are kept together and they're never split over different pages, page breaks. The same is true of the table numbering. Once you've updated it, the style is correct, making changes to the structure of the document, the numbering will be correct throughout. One of the nice features is actually clicking it on a table, selecting Format Table. It then puts the table into the format required within the new template, using the Dana font, correct size, and the layout on top. Final feature we'll show here today is the appendix. Appendices work in the same way as the heading titles. This will just be a heading 1, or appendix 1, sorry. Instead of using a numeric numbering scheme, it will just use alphabetical. We now go back to our table of contents, clicking here, updating. It now updates the table of contents, again using the correct layout. There are a number of other features within the template. Please use it, see what works for you, and enjoy.
Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how the new GS1 template works in Word. So you start by opening a new Word document, and if you have installed the template correctly, you will now see a GS1 icon in the bar. If you click on it, this will give you access to the three main documents, Letterhead, Basic and Advanced. We are going to show you how the Advanced template works. So if you open it, you will see now a completely new document with all the right fonts, the right images, a table of contents, and the actual content underneath it. We are going to switch now to a document that we already made. If you now click on Advanced Document, and then to Document Properties, here you can change the document name, as well as a document type, which is always a standard or a guideline. You can also change the release. The issue number you normally don't touch, and the date you choose a 3-letter digit of the month, as well as the year. The document status you can choose, but it normally is a draft when you first start with the document, and then you can choose a optional description as well. So when you click on OK and you do Ctrl+A to select the complete document and then update field, you will now see that all the fields will actually change, which is very important because if you want to make changes, don't do it in the document itself, but always go back to document properties. So you see that also changes in the document summary as well. Then we go to the actual content of the document, and we are going to apply the changes here by using the GS1 Advanced Formatting. So here you'll see all kinds of different formatting that you can do. The first one we're going to do is the headings. So you see heading 1, 2, 3. And then you can see the body text as well. So this is the actual text of the document, which you can use with the tab body text. Another nice formatting is the bullets. You have 3 different types of bullets, as well as lists that you can see here. Another nice feature is called the notes. Here you can make notes, important messages, or non-normative messages as well, and it will show it like that. And then now we're going to switch to the tables and figures. We're going to start with a figure and how to format it. So click on the title of the figure and then on figure, and this will give it a number and in bold, and then the actual title. It will also center it to the middle. The same goes for a table. You click on table, this will center it to the right, also give it a number. And when you click on the entire table and you choose format table, this will format the complete table into the new template. Then we have also appendices that we are going to show you. These work the same as the headings, but they will appear on a new page, and they will appear in in the order of the alphabet, as you can see here. If you go back to the table of contents now, you will see that it still hasn't changed. But if you click on the field and you click on Update Field, you will now see that it will be adjusted to the content of the document. There are a number of other features that you can explore yourself by using the template on your own documents. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us.